Hi, I'm Jenny from Tuftinglove, and if you want to start tufting but you want to make it a bit budget friendly, that's the right place for you, because we're having a look at our Tufting Starter Saver Set. In the set there is our AK5 tufting machine, which is my personal favorite tufting machine. It's super silent, it's super lightweight, it's the lightweightest machine that we offer in the shop, and it runs super smooth. In addition to that, you get this cute little light in the front here, which I first thought is a bit but it's really helpful, especially if you're tufting longer in the evening and it's already getting a bit dark out there. In addition to that, we also have the digital speed display back here, on which you can set your speed settings perfectly. And of course, our tufting machine comes with a 2-year warranty, so you know you're buying a reliable product. With the tufting machine, there's also the suitable power adapter with the EU plug, a threader, and the most used spare parts that you're gonna need with the Allen key set. Next, obviously, you're gonna need a tufting frame, and in this set there's a set of 10 of these strips, nail strips included. So you're gonna get a total of 7 meters of nail strips with which you can build your own tabletop tufting frame. If you need a little guide for that, at the very bottom there's a blog post about how to build an easy tabletop tufting frame. So that's perfect for you if you wanna build your own frame. Then we're also going to need a base fabric, and that will be our Saver tufting cloth. This one is perfect for pieces up to 1 by 1 meter. It's a reliable tufting cloth, and you can tuft your smaller pieces without any problems with this. If you want to go crazy big, have a look at our basic tufting starter set, because there is like the premium tufting cloth included. So if you want to go big, then head over to the basic set. Then we also have our non-slip felt backing, which is giving you a nice finish in the back of your rug, and is also non-slip, which is going to help you especially if you want to do a bathroom rug. The yarn is not included in this project on purpose, because we have over 140 different yarn colors, and I guess that choice should really be up to you. So head over to our yarn section to find the suitable yarn for your project. So this whole set is budget friendly. Still, you're getting a super reliable tufting machine, and you can start tufting easily without like a super huge spending, and you still have a super reliable set with which you will have a lot of fun tufting your projects. Stay fluffy and see you soon. Bye.